I just, you know, if I looked back, I can't even remember what I was like. I was a shell back then. I would pay 10 times over to do that course again, and the retreat was amazing. But it was the whole package. You can't put a value on things like experiences like this, because the freedom and change that you feel and the growth, like I just said to her, I just feel like I've grown really upwards. I look at just probably the fact that you gave me the freedom to dream, I suppose, or you gave me permission, should I say, that I'd never really given myself permission to dream about big things. I'd always put a ceiling on it or felt like I wasn't worthy. So I think that was a really big part of, one of the parts. There's so many. So definitely just the belief that I could do whatever I wanted to do, and that you believed in me as well. So teaching me how to believe in myself so that I could achieve what I really wanted to achieve. Certainly the guidance, like when I'd be thinking something and I'd almost be too scared to think it out loud, and you would just confirm it. So I knew then that I was in alignment with the right person, because you got where I was coming from without me, and it was just good confirmation. So not only the growth, but just you helped me tackle the really difficult things that were very emotional in such a kind way, but also a way that was real, so that it wasn't too fluffy that, oh, it's okay. It was actually, this is the way it is, and it was the truth. So the truth actually, the truth sets us free, doesn't it? So it was the truth that you spoke, that you could see, that was probably clouded in my mind because I'd been telling myself other things. But you spoke the truth, so that actually allowed me to then go, okay, right, well, now I need to go this direction. So there's a lot of things like that. Certainly the nurturing, it's a beautiful, the relationship with you has been amazing, because it's not only with you, but it's also spread to all these beautiful, beautiful women that are like you and like me, that we all can just connect with. And, I just find myself saying things and I go, oh my goodness, you sound like Tracy. Because of your teachings and your truth, it's just natural for me that it just comes out of my being. I feel more confident with, if you look good, then you feel good. So that's been a shift, because I used to hide a little bit of who I was. And I remember you saying, that outfit's too big for you. It looks ridiculous. Like you've got a beautiful body. Why aren't you wearing clothes that make it look good? Do you know what I mean? But it was almost too scared to shine that light. And you taught me that it was okay to shine the light. So, and not care about what people think. And I think that's a really big thing, is being too scared to wear what you want to wear, because people are going to laugh at you. But if it makes you feel good and you get your work done, or shine your light with whoever you're talking to because you feel great, then that's what you should do. I'm worthy of accepting different situations, like being asked to be a speaker or to MC or to, just be on a leadership panel or anything like that. I feel like I actually am worthy of doing it, because I've got good things to offer and life experience, and it might be a short life experience in comparison to some others, but it's not about comparing. And I used to compare all the time. So now I just go, well, they want me for me, not for, it's just going to have to unfold from me, from my heart. So I think that's been a really big part of it, is accepting that I have good values and good things to offer to people. They're flowing through a lot faster now. Like I just find, yesterday I got another message saying, would you mind being a speaker at this event that we've got in 2 weeks' time, a networking women's event? And it's like, okay, then I'd love to. I would never have been asked that a year ago, but now it's opening up because I'm excited by it and I'm embracing it and welcoming it. It will allow me to, I don't know, follow my dreams without fear of what anyone is saying. It's interesting though, because the more confident I get with each step I take, because I believe, I find I haven't got people bagging my decisions, or not that I really did before, but there were always a few people in the background going, oh really? And I don't feel that is happening. So it's definitely attracting better opportunities, and just to be really grounded and know exactly who you are. For instance, like, I know that I'm a warrior of light. I know that I'm a woman of light to shine for people, no matter what that looks like. And because I'm just going to be shining more and more, you attract what you love into your life as well. So yeah, it's really exciting, really exciting.